Congratulations for completing this section on technical SEO. I know that was not easy. That's probably the hardest part of the course. So now we're going to talk about what's not on your page and how to optimize them. Of course, it's backlinks. In this section, we'll do an overview of the basics of link building. If you're looking to boost your website's visibility in search engines, you're in the right place. Let's start.
So what is really link building? Link building involves acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. Think of each link as a pathway that leads directly to your content, and also as a vote of confidence that tells search engines your content is valuable and trustworthy. But why does link building matter so much? In the realm of SEO, links help search engines like Google discover new web pages and determine how well a page should rank in their results. Essentially, the more high-quality links pointing to your website, the more likely you are to rank well for your target keywords. Now, let's dive into some fundamental link building strategies that can set the foundation for your SEO efforts. At the heart of link building is good content. This good content is link-worthy because it provides value to your audience and to others in your industry. For example, imagine you've published an in-depth guide titled The Science of Sleep: How to Improve Your Nightly Rest. To make it more popular, you can start sharing this guide on social media, reaching out to influencers in the wellness space, and sending it to your email list. This way, you increase its visibility. This resource then becomes something others may want to link to, either in their own content or on social platforms. But this is pure theory. That may happen, but the prerequisites are already important, like having an audience, possibly having money. So that's not impossible, but there are conditions. Let's see what you can do without all this. The first technique you need to know and practice is entity link building. Entity link building involves creating profiles, citations, and directory listings that reference your business. Each profile or citation acts as a signal to search engines, validating the existence and relevance of your business. But creating social media profiles and business profiles goes beyond just filling out information. It's about presenting your brand consistently and engagingly across all platforms. Consider you own a local coffee shop. You're going to start, obviously, by creating your profile on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Every time you'll insert your website's URL. These are backlinks. And obviously, you'll create a Google My Business profile, also a backlink. For this last profile, an interesting tip is to include not just the basics like address and hours, but also photos of your establishment, menus, and even feature customer reviews. The second way to get backlinks is through directories. Directories, especially those specific to your industry, can be a gold mine for backlinks. Being listed in reputable directories not only directs traffic to your site, but also strengthens your link profile. For your coffee shop, getting listed in directories focused on local dining, organic foods, or even specialty coffee can introduce your brand to enthusiasts actively seeking what you offer. You get backlinks for each directory listing. So that's a pathway leading back to your site.
Another effective strategy is guest blogging. Writing articles for reputable sites in your niche not only exposes your brand to a broader audience, but also earns you valuable backlinks. Let's say you run a digital marketing blog. By contributing a guest post to a popular marketing platform, you can include a link back to a relevant article on your site. This directs traffic and enhances your site's authority. These guest blogging opportunities are harder to find, so here's a quick tip. You can type "Write for us" plus your niche in Google to see free opportunities to do guest blogging. Another mechanism is through social media and forums. And I'm not repeating myself here. For social media, we're not talking about your own page, but about active participation where you share your content with a link to your site. For example, you can participate in a Reddit thread about sleep habits and contributing useful insights from your Science of Sleep guide while providing a link to your full article. This gets you a backlink and it can drive interested users to your site. One thing to remember is that it's vital to focus on the quality of links rather than just the quantity. To me, there are 3 easy criteria to determine a quality backlink. It's on a relevant website in the same niche as yours, the domain authority of the website is high enough, and there is traffic coming to this site. It's not a dead piece that nobody reads. So here we are. We have 5 interesting techniques you now know for link building. Link building is a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal, but it requires time, patience, and consistent effort. And now that we've seen the basics, we're ready to see how ChatGPT can help us there. Let's move on.